Chia ase abasae n'ababwatani ababwate ebyegwa byamatera ekobwatukana no kuigurwa bene kwe studio rachikoba rekodi amatera abo iye kurokwa Uplift iye gotoka asensemo yenyangena himeyo muchi obosongo gago kwana mone kinyumba cyobraria nigo omoteneri bwa studio iyo okorokwa nganere Williams oiboigo ole omobwatani kurwa sense ya United States of America anareko bagakuria eirabune studio ne chikoba kwena nalibagaria bene guchia ase abasae anene ababwate byegwa nabo igo banyale ko bago siekerwa isiko gotenyora libaga lyogosokia amatera abo no mayaga boigo nyara ko boikani wa amo nababwatani ao kurwase county ya Kisii abanyara ko bakoria eira ya bene buna studio unit ko beko bwatera na amo no botenelwe county ya Kisii elio kwaneke buna yanyare ko bego sira ebyegwa Polinalis ya kama nanyara ko bago ikirana somo yego yo nagutwariganeria orobotiro kubatia
buna enjire ya moyogosira ebyegwa ao byabantanene mono asabasae nige studio ya Uplift ya chakigwe bene ase kerengekyo nseyo mosiyo William.
I just want to say that our mission here is to uplift one talent at a time. Here at Uplifted is where we look for talent that has been suppressed. We look for talent that was there, but we are going to change the dynamics of the talents here because most talents are there, but they are not they are not out. So we are here to extract the talent that is in Gusii land and beyond.
Uplifted Records, Kisii, the state-of-the-art studio that is found nowhere near here except here in Kisii.
Egati yabo bisabaikana na kurwase county ya Kisii no bino nyambane abaigo Vincent Maruba abubato gyogo chakiwo gwe studio yo era chikokonya abagusi ya soko rekodi na korosigwa amaterabo
egento William the CEO bakorire egento gigutuigura maiso na ndegetoire siko kwetera asa talent gose chiabana baito. This is a wonderful inception of a studio of its own kind,
and we are so much happy for, especially for Bill, the guy you has remembered his motherland, that there are people he can work with, people he will nurture, people he will want to uplift. We thank you so much. We also encourage other Kenyans and the Kisii people who are in the diaspora to do such a kind of investment in our country, in our Kisii region.
Nanyana baiga bateneneri be studio yubakora wana William na Buyaki babo lia serikali ya county ya Kisii kubwaterana na barabu iliwe ikirania chindoto chiabande.
I want to send my message to the Ministry of Culture, also to the governor himself, so that we can come together and partner, so that we can uplift this talent that has been suppressed for a long time. We thank you very much. We are here to partner, and we are partners, not competitors.
And I want to request the county government to take this opportunity to use the facilities that we have in here so that we can uplift our talents from Gusii land, the young youths that are out there and they have talent. They partner with us, they come here and we give them what they don't have.
Abara yabukure county ni gobene kyangantu chako koroko bwaterana kwa bwene eligosira basani kurwa county ya Kisii.
We are so much happy for the kind of nurturing talent you are doing here. And as a county, I know the governor has a special program for the young people, and these are the kind of program which the governor will want to engage in.
But you can be sure that now you have a place, you come, place your talent, and the world will know about it.
Kuripota Ndizi TV, Ncheria Tana Polinaris, Akama.